Today, I'm going to help you make some tables. So, the next video today, we'll go through how to change your data from your experiment into an awesome table. And then there will probably be another video about how to do a graph. Alright, so why don't you go ahead and watch this video and become an expert at graph making and table making. Okay, so to make a table, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into our CST docs, which is right here, and I'm going to come over here to create, and I'm going to create a spreadsheet. Okay, we haven't used a spreadsheet yet, but what we're going to do right now is open up the spreadsheet we just created, and I'm going to name this the Science Fair table. So if I click on that, it'll say Science Fair table. You'll probably have to type that in. Now, exactly what type of table am I going to have to make? Well, let's go to our Science Buddies and scroll down and see what kind of a table they want us to do. So the table that I want to do here has a substance column, amount melted, amount remaining, total amount, and percentage melted. And it looks like I'm testing salt, sugar, sand, and nothing. Okay, so I need to recreate that table in spreadsheets on Google Drive. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many columns I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I only need 5. And I have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this right here is going to be my table. I'm going to go ahead and format this so that it has borders, which are in here somewhere. There they are, borders. And along the top, what I'm going to type in is substance, amount melted, amount remaining, total amount, and percent melted. Notice I'm typing this in exactly how they are. Okay. Now, neat little trick here is if I can get to this little arrow and I double click, it will automatically resize my column. So I get that little arrow, I'm double clicking, and it will automatically get to that next position. I can also click and hold down and drag it, and it'll change the column size. Okay, so this is my titles here, and I want those bold. I'm going to go ahead and bold those and like those centered, and you'll see that changed the table size here a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust those columns, and I'm going to add the substances, and I was using salt, sugar, sand, and nothing. So salt, sugar, sand, and nothing. Now obviously nothing is going to be our control, so I want to add that. They didn't add that. Okay, so if this was my experiment, I would be done with my table. So it's a pretty simple table there. What we're going to be able to do later is we'll copy and paste this right into our Science Fair report. If you have a more complicated table, might take you a little bit more time, and I can show you some additional features in a little bit with the next video. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching the video. It was a real quick short video on how to create a table in Google Docs spreadsheet. Go ahead and get to work. Remember, you can replay this video as often as you'd like, and don't be afraid to ask questions.